In this video, I will show you how to change your signature in DocuSign. So as you can see, I am in the DocuSign website right now. And when you open the website, this is what you will see. So here you can see your profile picture, and right next to it, you can see your current signature. So then what you want to do is click on change signature. And then here they give you a few options. So these are some pre-made ones. You can also create one yourself. So to create one yourself, you can click on draw. Then here you can also draw a signature. Then here you want to draw your initials, and then you can click on create. Now if you already have a file or image of your signature, if you just want to do it on paper or something, then you want to click on upload. Now here you can upload your signature and your initials. You need to have both of these. So I have some on my computer right here. So here is a signature, then click on open. So then you have it right here. And then your initials go in this box. So now right here you have your signature and your initials. Then you can go ahead and click on create. So now right here you can see the one that we just created. So I will show you how you can actually use this right now. This is actually pretty simple. Just drop in the file that you want to add it to. So for this example, I am going to add it into this document. And then just go ahead and click on next right here. Then add recipients or choose I'm the only signer. Then you can also add a message and then click on sign. Then click continue right here. And now you want to add in your signature. So right here you have a little box for your signature, as you can see. And this is where you want to add your signature. So wherever it says signature. So how do you actually do this? Here in the left you can see the fields. Now you have your signature right here. And then you can just drag and drop it. You can change the size like this. Or if you want to enter your initials, that's also possible. So let's enter the initials right here. So then right here you have it signed. And then you can click on finish. Now here you can enter an email address to send it to. You can enter a subject and a message and then click on send. And after doing that, you will have signed the document with your newly created signature. So that's how to change your signature on DocuSign. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.